The session is going to demonstrate the classification using naive Bayes algorithm. In Weka tool, these are the steps can follow to proceed the naive Bayes classification algorithm for classifying the data set. First step, we have to explore the Weka tool, and after we can open the file tab and getting the dataset from our drive. Then we can select the corresponding file for classification process. Uh, the Under the dataset, the attributes must be in nominal form. So we have to maintain the attributes are in nominal. Otherwise, we have to proceed the pre-processing and convert the numerical or other value. It can be converted to nominal value or text. Then we have to apply the classification tab. In the classification tab, we have to choose the naive Bayes tab, that is comes under Bayes uh, menu. So under this Bayes menu, we can choose the naive Bayes algorithm, and we have to build the model of naive Bayes classification based on by choosing the corresponding class label. Under the corresponding class label, we can be classify the data set whatever we need. Now we open the Weka tool, then explore the Weka, then open the file in from local disk. We should keep the data set under the attributes are in nominal way. So I choose the data set. This data set is comes under in .csv file. Here, except ID, these are all are in nominal way. Once we click corresponding attribute, the type can be displayed in the selected attribute. So we have to easily find out whether it is a nominal or numerical attribute. Then here the ID is not need for this purpose. So I just remove the ID. Then these are the 7 attributes. Based on the 7 attributes, we have to classify the data under naive Bayes classification. So we have to go the classify, then choose the algorithm under the classifier. Under this classifier, there are the several types of classification techniques are there. Under the Bayes, the naive Bayes classification can be intimate. So we choose the naive Bayes. Then using training set, we have to classify the data. So we choose the use training set. Then we select the class label. Based on the class label, we have to classify the data set. So this data set is belongs to the student background details. The student varies gender, then the specialty of the student, then 10th standard grade and higher secondary grade, and his extracurricular activity knowledge is whether is no, yes or no. Then resources, whatever they used in internet or library access, and attendance. So based, these are the attributes. Then we choose the what class label have to classify for a database. So just we do based on the specialty, if we want to classify the data set means just choose the specialty and start the process. So under this, the corrected classified instance is 88%, it will be classified, and 11.7 percentage can be unclassified. And the accuracy of the class label based on the specialty, the true positive rate, false positive rate precisions can be found with weighted average. Based on that weighted average, we can find the accuracy of the classification, instance of classification. Then the confusion matrix can be made based on the diagonal. We have to find in commerce department 17 students numbers can be classified. In computer science department 28 instance can be classified. So in confusion matrix we have to took the diagonal values only for finding the classification instance. These are the, and then time taken for test model is 0.01 seconds. Then in right click option on the base of naive Bayes classification, we have to visualize the classification error based on specialty in x-axis and predicted margin, whatever it is. So the predicted margin between the commerce and the computer science department, the probability of distribution can be displayed. So these are the extra analysis of analysis we can be visualizing corresponding data set. Then the margin curve and the classification error, there are also can be viewed in the data Vector tool. So this is one of the types. If you want to classify based on attendance means, so we choose the class label as an attendance and start the classification. Here the attendance is only two label. One is good and poor. So the classification, the corrected classification accuracy is 98% and in classified instant is 1%. So it's taken 0 seconds for time taken. Here 50 students are totally including all department, 50 students made good and one student may be poor for attendance. So based on this type, we have to classify the data set based on Naive Bayes classification. Thank you.